My name is Sharon Kearley and I am a mixed media weaver based in Test Valley on the Hampshire-Wiltshire border. I trained at Chelsea School of Art, specialising in woven design for 2 years. I was fascinated, and I still am fascinated, that you can create cloth through structure and the intertwining of threads. I also like the rhythm of weaving, the sound and the pure physical movement with the loom when creating cloth. My work is based on linear connections in the environment and focuses on both people and place. It sits at the intersection of textile disciplines, and it has a playful and innovative perception of weave. I like to push the boundaries of the subject and see what can be achieved through the rigidity of the weaving process. I'm inspired by Bauhaus theory, applying a diagnostic and exploratory approach, responding to the physicality and the sensitivity of materials and process, combining weave, print, dye processes and stitch processes as my working methods. My most recent work has explored a series of site-specific works in response to the Great Stones Way, looking at archive materials such as mat and drawings and books, predominantly from Devises Museum. I've created work and then placed it along the Great Stones Way, along both hidden lines, such as ley lines, depicted through indigo, and the visible path, which has been depicted through rust. I've focused on Avebury, Woodhenge and Old Sarum along the Great Stones Way. They are very close to my home and my studio, and I feel a personal connection to these places. I hope you've enjoyed taking a sneaky peek at my processes, and I very much look forward to the possibility of hopefully meeting you soon at a Society of Designer Craftsmen exhibition.